Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Common words are used. Start. This will undoubtedly lead to increased turnover of electronics products in the country and increased employment opportunities. Full stop. The ease of availability of electronic components in the country will give a boost to this activity. Full stop. It is my hope and belief that with the necessary emphasis on state of the art education in electronics, the creation of awareness of electronics in the people and the free availability of electronic components and basic measuring instruments, it will be possible to increase our capability in this area and achieve a degree of self-reliance in this vital technology of the future. Full stop. In this worthwhile endeavor, I am of the view that the National Institute of Electronics is a center of advanced know-how and modern facilities can play an important role in educating engineers, scientists and technicians, in addition to its primary role of design and development of electronic equipment and assistance to industry in its production. Full stop. I am confident that the National Institute of Electronics will fulfill its role creditably as the primary electronics institution in the country. Full stop. I understand the aim of the present conference is to improve/provide a national forum for the projection of electronics activity within Pakistan and delineate areas for research and development. Full stop. Research and development projects which can be undertaken in different institutes and universities which would help in bridging the technological gap between Pakistan and the advanced countries of the world. Full stop. In the field of electronics, science and technology has made phenomenal progress. Full stop.